Hello everyone, I'm back on my Surron. Finally it's warm enough. And this video is not about the Surron, it's about this little thing. I just got my first drone. This is the little spot that I picked. There's a lot of trees, so we have to be careful. We have to watch out for the cables there. And we have this cool little tunnel between the trees, so I will try to fly through here and basically see how it goes. So stick around, hit the subscribe button, and let's go. It's pretty cool. It's so sensitive, you have to get used to it. Of course, be always careful, look around you. Make sure no one is near. Let's check it out up close. It's very cool. Be careful, of course, of the rotors. It's windy. You can see how it's fighting the wind. Alright, let's go up. Oh, it's fighting the wind a lot. That's wild. It's really windy today. I didn't expect it to be so windy. Here, let me try to get closer to the water. It's not the best spot to learn how to fly, but pretty excited. I'm right there. Alright, let's take it back. This is a cool shot. I must say the video quality is awesome. Haha, very nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. The wind is pretty bad, so I don't want to fly my drone. I don't want to risk it. I'm pretty new to this. I flew it maybe twice. So yeah, we'll do it in the next video. So please hit the subscribe button and like the video. I will do something cool with this bike again as well, so make sure you stay tuned. And we have some upgrades coming for this bike as well pretty soon. So yeah, you don't want to miss that. Peace.